Akbar, and my friend.
My name is Ridwan Syaputra.
And introduce narrative text. Ina, do you like to read?
Excellent. Yes, I love reading. How about you?
I like how about I got have as much tip as I like to read. What kind of books do you like?
I am really into skin, fiction, and fantasy. Have you read any good books lately?
I just read adventure novel that I really enjoy. Do you have any recommendation?
Yeah, there is now series just came out there reading a lot of books. I can let you the feedback if you want.
What really take you lesson?
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi